reckon we've got us a what they call a barn find. It's not no Mustang, but anyway, we're fixing to get this car. It's been sitting in here for years. I think it's a 77. It's supposed to be unlocked. Come on. That's good. Been in here for years and years. Got some garage door rash on this side, looks like. Or whiskey bumps, we call them. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Sheesh. Pretty tight. Do what? This side here looks like it's been scuffed. Yeah. Just a little bit. I think this is a 77. I don't know, swear to it. Let's see if we can find any kind of, here we go. A to 76, that's going to be a 77. Big 400. How long has it been here since it was tagged? 06. just like a kid at Christmas. Couldn't wait to fool around with this big LTD we drug out of the shade when I was working on it. See what it do. The motor was stuck. So last night, or yesterday afternoon, I filled the carburetor full of PB Blaster and let it soak overnight. Now we're gonna see if we got any luck with what we got. You ready, Mike? See if it's unstuck. I'm gonna put a little bit of, if it does anything, it is going to smoke. It's a secret recipe that Pike's got right there. Ancient secret recipe. That's plenty. That's plenty. Blow us up. See what we got. Listen to that. That's more gas. I bet the gas is dead. Look at the smoke come out of it. That's PB Blaster right there, boys. Woo, PB Blaster. Let's try it again. All right, we got the LTD up here. Got it in the shop right now. We kind of go over what's going on. It'll run fine with gas in the carburetor, but gas in the fuel tank it won't. So we have, you'll see this right here. This is what the gas tank looks like. See all the rust? Absolutely stopped up. So what we've done is ordered a gas tank. Should be in here. I'm gonna have to take this out, which ain't no big deal. We've done it before. We blow the lines out, and all we got to do is put another tank in, and I think it'll be good to go. So that is the so far on the LTD big 400. So more as time goes on. I always remember where the over here's where the camera's at. So hopefully this will be a work in progress.